welcome to HueTrition Live. I'm Monica, your host. I'm the CEO and founder of HueTrition, and today I want to talk about plant-based diets. I get a lot of questions as to how do you start plant-based? What is plant-based? Should you go plant-based? So I'm just going to really simplify it for you and highlight some differences between, vegetarian, vegan, and plant-based. So just to keep it very, very simple, plant-based is what it says. So it basically means that you're going to try to consume more foods from plant-based, from plants. Basically, that's plant-based. How does it differ between vegan or vegetarian? Is that plant-based doesn't necessarily mean that you're not going to eat chicken or fish or milk and honey. You're actually you can't eat those, and I would definitely recommend to do that. I would recommend that if you want to go towards plant-based, start slowly so you can start substituting. So every meal, instead of having something that's beef, maybe every other time you substitute your protein for something that's plant-based. What's really nice about plant-based is that is in line with filling your plate with fruits and vegetables. You can go for things like nuts and legumes and roots and things like that. And it's really, really good for your overall health. It is sustainable. And another key benefit of a plant-based diet is the fact that it is affordable. So when you think about, let's say, if you were going to start plant-based, one tip is that you can start substituting every other meal, let's say even a dinner or lunch. If you were going to have beef, then go something plant-based. And so that actually makes it very affordable. So plant-based diets tend to be, if you can choose it wisely, and go for some legume-based, bean sort of protein, then it becomes very, very affordable as well. It can be fun, so you can start mixing it up. So I definitely recommend it. So there you have it. So if you want to start plant-based, my biggest recommendation would be that you start small and you say, you know what, it's still okay to have fish and chicken. You just want to substitute some of the beef items every other time for something that's more bean and legume based, and you can incorporate some nuts and keep it fun. So there you have it. There's plant-based, definitely something that I think you could try, and it's also not only good for your health, it's good for the environment, it's good for your wallet. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to our channel or follow us on social media. And if you want to get any more tips on plant-based and how to fill your plate with fruits and vegetables, you can buy our book. It's fun and simple nutrition for the whole family. It doesn't matter whether you have kids or not. It's our ebook or print book, and you can get it on our website. I'm going to put the link below on our resources page as well as on Amazon. Thank you for watching.